boxes. And this one is homechef.com. This is our second week. And I thought, well, maybe I know that you always see them on TV. Let me show you what we got. And we're so excited. We did it for a week to see if we would like it. This is not a sponsored video. But let me show you how it's packed. It's packed really nice. It comes FedEx. And it has packaging here. Let me turn it around. And then when you open it up, I'm opening it up so you can see what I'm seeing. Has the menus. This week we're having the Italian sausage stuffed pizza peppers. And we are having, these are the ones I chose, crispy salt and pepper shrimp with red bell peppers. So it comes with all the ingredients. And let me just show you. I hope I can do this with one hand. Okay, it has an ice pack in it on the top here. And it's very cold when I get it. It's not, you know, the last week and this week. Then it says quality ingredients below. And then it shows you the packages of different ones. It has everything in it. And let me see if you can see. This is the peppers. You can see what this is. Everything is packaged so neat and so nicely, which is great. And the next one is going to be, then they have another one here. And this has got to be the, I don't know. I guess this is part of the shrimp maybe? I don't know. Let me see if there's another one down in there. I think this is the shrimp part. And let's see. Another thing of, yep, the shrimp's in the bottom. So that was for one recipe. This is another ice pack. Oh, hope I'm not making you dizzy. If I am, I apologize. And I just put it back in the refrigerator. It teaches me Daisy. And this is the shrimp and the sausage. So it's got a little bit, it's showing for both of them. So I'll have to split these up, which goes with which. But there you go. You'll see it's this box. It's very well insulated. And then you have all this, and I'll put it in the refrigerator. So anyway, I just want to let you know that, show you this. And one of these nights, I'm going to, when I do one, I'll just have Ron record me doing it and let you see these. But this is the shrimp, the sausages. It's on these two, like I said, these two menus. Sorry for that noise. And this one looks so good. This crispy salt and pepper shrimp. And of course, I have made these before. But it's so nice, so very nice that you have all your ingredients. And we do it for 2 people because it's just 2 of us. But you can do it to 4, and I'm sure you can do more than that. But anyway, there you go. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I think we're going to do these Italian sausage stuffed peppers tonight. Stuffed pizza peppers. Until later, I love you.